It is hard work to find a sewing machine that is suitable for a child. It is easy to simply choose the cheapest and cutest model. The best sewing machines for kids should be safe, easy to use, automated, and packed with useful, yet kid-approved features. In order to help you to find out the best kids sewing machine, we have selected and reviewed 5 best kids sewing machines, which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Before starting review, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest baby product reviews. Number 1. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. Magicfly Sewing Machine is lightweight and portable, which fits in the dust-proof bag provided. Support AC/DC power supply or batteries power supply. You can turn the sewing machine on with button or foot pedal. It is equipped with built-in light that provide enough light source. There is also a speed control button on it. The thread cutter provides straight cutting on sewing. Comes with 42 PCs sewing accessories, which include 36 PCs bobbins, 5 PCs needles, 1 threader, 1 scissor, 1 measurer, 1 extension table and 1 portable bag. Number 2. Theo Klein Fashion Passion Kids Sewing Machine. Transparent safety protection for the needle, with upper and lower thread, for convenient transport. It comes with 2 different speed settings. It is easy to operate via foot pedal or manual. Other features are drop-down thread spool holder, and a thread tension for adjustment via dial. Comes with a fashion passion kit, that includes thimble, yarn, replacement needle and much more. Number 3. Cool Maker Sewing Machine. Perfectly designed to be used without thread, bobbins and needles, so it's always safe and easy for kids to use. This kit comes with 5 trendy pre-cut projects and stuffing. And a playbook. Easily sew your projects with the included So Cool fabrics. It is a great gift for kids aged 6 and up. Requires 4 AA batteries for operation. Number 4. Janome Arctic Crystal Sewing Machine. It has 15 built-in stitches, 4-step buttonhole, to customize your projects. Heavy-duty interior metal frame, for long-lasting durability. Easily access the front-loading bobbin system, even while your fabric is under the presser foot. The removable storage compartment turns this machine into a free arm. Simply turn the length and zigzag width dial for appropriate settings of your stitch type. It is great for sewing small openings, like a sleeve or hemming a pair of pants. Comes with 4 presser feet, beginner accessories, and easy-to-follow instructional manual. Number 5. Janome Fastlane Fuschia Basic Sewing Machine. It is portable and compact sewing machine, perfect for beginners, alterations and sewing on the go. 10 built-in stitches, including straight, zigzag, crescent, with 2 needle positions. Having accessory storage and easy reverse, it is more convenient to use. Threading diagrams and top drop-in bobbin with clear cover makes for easy setup. Presser foot with finger guard protects little fingers. All of the product reviews are based on research work, and are meant to provide you value. Buying through our link will not cost you money, but we will earn some commission.